Hi, my name is Elizabeth Blandon from Blandon Law, and I'm here to discuss TPS for Venezuelans. That's Temporary Protected Status, which is a designation from the United States government for persons from a certain country who cannot safely return to their home country. Recent examples include Syria and Yemen. Basically, what this means is that people from countries that have been designated, chosen for TPS protection, do not have to return to their home country. In other words, one of the benefits of TPS is you will not be deported. Another benefit is that while you're in the United States, you will be authorized to work in the United States. And last, you may be eligible to travel outside the United States to another country with a travel permission known as advance parole. Important to know that TPS is not asylum. With asylum, if a person gets granted asylum, a year later they can apply for residency. And 5 years after that, they can become a citizen. That's a very big benefit because only citizens can bring their family members here, or only residents, like for example, only a citizen can bring a parent to the United States. Only a resident could bring at least a resident could bring a minor child or a spouse to the United States. So these are very important benefits that are not given based on TPS. But another difference from asylum is that you're granted TPS so long as you're in the country on a certain date, your country has been chosen to receive TPS by the United States government, and you don't have to prove that you will be harmed personally. For asylum, there is a requirement that you demonstrate that you have a fear of returning to your home country for certain situations. That's race, religion, nationality, political opinion, or membership in a particular social group. So when people ask me, will Venezuelans be getting temporary protected status because of the current situation in the country? The answer that I have is, I hope so. I truly hope so. But keep in mind that Haiti, which is one of the poorest countries in the Western hemispheres, has suffered a terrible earthquake in 2010 and has also suffered from the environmental disasters of hurricanes. 3 of the reasons why countries are granted TPS designation include environmental disasters, epidemics, or also civil war, anything that is a temporary, extraordinary situation. Nevertheless, the TPS designation for Haiti is set to expire in January 2018. So keep this in mind. Keep also Blandon Law in mind, because we're here to open the door to your success if we can be your representatives. And if not, we're here to inform and protect. Be well.